How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. So if you have already opened the snap of the person, but you want to see the snap again, in this case what you need to do is tap on your profile at the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon. Scroll down to the bottom and you will get to see the option of My Data. Tap on it. Right here you need to enter the username and the password of your Snapchat account. Once you enter the username, tap on Next. Enter the password of your Snapchat account. For the privacy reason, I'm not showing it, so once you are done, tap on Next. And after some time, Snapchat team will send you your details in which all of your snaps are also included. This way you'll be able to see all of the open snaps on Snapchat. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to see open snaps once again on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.